Good morning, everybody. It's a chilly one too. It's about 7 o'clock. Been up for about 30 minutes or so. Got everything in the tent packed up. Got the water boiling for coffee. Sit here, drink that. Now take the tent down. Put everything on the bike and we'll get rolling. But I'm taking my time this morning because I wanted to warm up a little bit. So we still got 20 miles of this downhill left. Right back there is where I camped, right back there in the trees. Right here is where I filled up my water last night. To the end of the Catamungus or whatever highway. Now we're in Conway, New Hampshire. What's up, everybody? So just leaving the laundromat. Mainly just needed to charge up. Because one of my battery banks got stolen when I was in DC at the train station. So I only have my Nightcore 10,000, which only charged my phone 1.5 times. Got a new one coming to Old Colony, so it should be there when I get back. But my quilts have been packed up and everything, so I threw them in the dryer, got them all fluffed up. Man, that makes a huge difference if you're down, just ain't fluffing up. Just throw it in the dryer for about 20 minutes on low heat. It'll fluff right up. Yeah. Now we're heading to Pinkham Notch. I don't know if we'll make it all the way to the top today and down, or we might find somewhere to camp a little way, somewhere before the top, once we get back into National Forest. Yeah, gonna be dealing with some traffic. It's lunchtime. Real bad. I've got a ton of gravel. Well, I just had an unexpected expense. Damn pedals started rattling like crazy. Tighten it up and it's still rattling. And it just started out of nowhere. And then come to find out, when they fixed my bike the other day, they didn't tighten up the crank. My whole drive side was rattling loose. So I about lost everything. But me, whenever something goes acting up with my bike, I check it, and if I can't fix it, I find a bike shop, and that's what I just did. Cost me 68 bucks, but we got new pedals because bearings was just shot in my others. They was just cheap pedals, so. I don't know what that car was doing. But yeah, now we're heading back over here to 16. Made it back to the White Mountain National Forest. I am whooped. Gone like 38 miles so far, but a lot of hell. Almost there. Made it to Pinkham North. Hell yeah, that was a hell of a climb. Oh my god. We made it though. Now it's gonna be long downhill to Gorham, but I'm gonna sit here and take a short break first. That was a hell of a climb. Holy cow, was it steep. Alright, it's 4:30. Getting ready to head down. I'm gonna stop right here, take a picture with the bike and put my puppy on. Then we're gonna fly to Gorham and then hop on the Eastern Divide route, I think. It's gonna be an absolutely beautiful ride down. Holy shit. This route I've been taking so far has been tough, but holy cow, it's been worth it. Man. And just think, later, as the days come, more color it's going to be. It's already looking pretty damn amazing. I figure by the time we get to Vermont, somewhere it's going to be nice as can be. Man, this video is going to be so long. It's just so beautiful. Oh my god. Holy shit. It's the Wildcats. %, grade. It's about what I was coming up. Alright, I gotta quit videoing while we're going down this because I want to get moving. all downhill. But still been able to keep a really good pace though. Almost to Gorham, about 2 miles. Alright, I just stopped and got some Subway. Ate half a foot long, and charged my phone for about 30 minutes. Now it's 5:30. We're heading up here to the Eastern Divide route, so but the Presidential Rail Trail, which I don't know how far. I think it's about 2 miles or so. We might get there before dark, I don't know. We'll see. Alright, made it to the rail trail. Ooh, this is nice. Beautiful too. I am whooped though.